As more and more artificial intelligence enters into the world, more and more emotional intelligence must enter into the leadership. A very warm welcome to everyone. This is Samarth Agrawal, President Information Technology, and I am here to enlighten you about artificial intelligence and its uses in the future.
What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence or AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. The term may also be applied to any machine that exhibits traits associated with a human mind, such as learning and problem solving. Categorization of artificial intelligence. Weak artificial intelligence. It embodies a system designed to carry out one particular job. Weak AI systems include video games such as the chess and personal assistants like Amazon's Alexa and Apple's Siri. Strong artificial intelligence. These systems are systems that carry on the tasks considered to be human-like. These tend to be more complex and complicated systems. They are programmed to handle situations in which they may be required to problem solve without having a person intervene. Uses of artificial intelligence. Online shopping and advertising. Artificial intelligence is widely used to provide personalized recommendation to people, based, for example, on their previous searches and purchases or on other online behavior. Web search. Search engines learn from the vast input of data provided by their users to provide relevant search results. Digital personal assistants. Smartphones use AI to provide services that are as relevant and personalized as possible. Machine translations. Language translation software, either based on written or spoken text, relies on artificial intelligence to produce and improve translations. Smart homes, cities, and infrastructure. Smart thermostats learn from our behavior to save energy, while developers of smart cities hope to regulate traffic to improve connectivity and reduce traffic jams. Artificial intelligence in different fields. AI in banking. HDFC Bank has developed an AI-based chatbot called Eva, built by Bangalore-based Senseforce AI Research. Eva has addressed over 3 million customer queries, interacted with over 500,000 unique users, and held over 1 million conversations. AI in agriculture. Blue River Technology has developed a robot called See and Spray, which uses computer vision technologies like object detection to monitor and precisely spray weedicide on cotton plants. AI in marketing. Ventures have been relying on computers and data scientists to determine future patterns in the market. Trading mainly depends on the ability to predict the future accurately. AI in autonomous vehicles. The development of autonomous vehicles will revolutionize the transport system. AI in healthcare. An organization called Cambio Healthcare developed a clinical decision support system for stroke prevention that can give the physician a warning when there's a patient at risk of having a heart stroke. Future of artificial intelligence. Future of AI 2050. Estimated date of the emergence of the singularity of greater than human superintelligence. At this point, it's thought that certain machines will exceed the human brain in terms of intelligence. It's believed that this breakthrough will lead to a rapid advancement in technology, as AI would design new computers and machines at a rate no human could ever do. Among future activities, we believe that the most important research areas will be hybrid systems that combine the advantages of systems capable of reasoning on the basis of knowledge and memory, used with those of AI based on the analysis of massive amounts of data, that is, deep learning. As to applications, some of the most important will continue to be those related to the web, personal assistants, and autonomous robots, especially autonomous vehicles, social robots, robots for planetary exploration, and so on. Environmental and energy-saving applications will also be important, as well as those designed for economics and sociology. Finally, AI applications for the arts, visual arts, music, dance, narrative will lead to important changes in the nature of the creative process. Other more classic AI techniques that will continue to be extensively researched are action planning, experience-based reasoning, artificial vision, multimodal person-machine communication, humanoid robotics, and particularly new trends in development robotics. The most important one being the development of machines with common sense, especially the capacity to learn the relations between their actions and the effects these produce on their surroundings. Cybersecurity. There were about 707 million cybersecurity breaches in 2018 and 554 million in the first half of 2019 alone. Companies are struggling to stay one step ahead of hackers. AI-based tools look for patterns associated with malicious computer viruses and programs before they can steal massive amounts of information.
Well, at the end, we can only say that this is not the end for artificial intelligence. Who knows what artificial intelligence has in for us? There is numerous applications of artificial intelligence, and we know for a fact there is more to come of it. Thank you.